In today's world, sustainability is at the forefront of our minds, and that includes our beauty routines. If you're looking to make your beauty regimen more eco-friendly, it's time to switch to zero-waste beauty products. Not only are these products better for the planet, but they also deliver fantastic results. In this video, we'll review 5 of the best zero-waste beauty products that you can easily integrate into your daily routine. Let's dive into our top picks that combine sustainability and performance to help you look and feel your best. Kicking off our list at number 1, Bite Beauty Lip Balm. Bite Beauty Lip Balm is a premium, zero-waste lip care product that's formulated with clean, natural ingredients. This hydrating balm provides nourishment while giving your lips a soft, smooth finish. Known for its sleek, eco-friendly packaging, this lip balm is a must-have for anyone looking to incorporate more sustainable beauty options into their routine. Made with a blend of nourishing oils, it protects your lips from dryness and environmental stressors. Key features: this lip balm is made with an impressive mix of natural ingredients like mango butter, shea butter, and avocado oil, which hydrate and lock in moisture. The formula is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and free of harmful chemicals, making it an excellent choice for sensitive skin. Bite Beauty Lip Balm is also wrapped in a fully recyclable metal tube, helping reduce plastic waste in your beauty routine. Benefits and usage: Bite Beauty Lip Balm helps to repair dry, cracked lips and protects them against the elements, ensuring that they stay soft and moisturized all day long. The balm is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving your lips feeling nourished but not sticky. For optimal use, apply a generous amount to your lips throughout the day, especially in dry or harsh weather conditions. Usability: this lip balm is suitable for all skin types and can be used on a daily basis. Its sleek design fits comfortably in your purse or pocket, making it easy to carry around for quick touch-ups. The balm is ideal for those who are conscious of the ingredients in their skincare and want to avoid synthetic additives commonly found in traditional lip care products. Durability: the Bite Beauty Lip Balm is designed to last throughout the day with 1 or 2 applications. It provides long-lasting moisture, especially when used regularly. Since it's housed in recyclable packaging, it's durable and environmentally friendly, aligning perfectly with zero-waste principles. Be sure to reapply as needed, especially during the colder months or when exposed to the sun. In the second spot, we have Plaine Products Shampoo. Plaine Products Shampoo is a zero-waste, eco-friendly hair care solution that comes in a refillable aluminum bottle. The shampoo is formulated to cleanse and nourish your hair without the use of harsh chemicals or synthetic fragrances. With a commitment to sustainability, Plaine Products focuses on offering hair care products that minimize environmental impact while providing effective, salon-quality results. Key features: the shampoo is free from sulfates, parabens, and synthetic fragrances, making it a gentle yet effective formula for all hair types. Its key ingredients include plant-based cleansers and nourishing oils that help to maintain the natural moisture balance of your hair. The most notable feature of Plaine Products is its refillable packaging, which can be returned to the company once empty for cleaning and reuse, reducing plastic waste significantly. Benefits and usage: Plaine Products Shampoo effectively cleanses the hair without stripping it of its natural oils. It leaves the hair feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed, making it ideal for daily use. To use, simply apply a small amount to wet hair, lather, and rinse thoroughly. For best results, follow up with the Plaine Products Conditioner for a complete hair care routine. Usability: this shampoo is perfect for those with sensitive scalps or those who want to make the switch to a more eco-conscious hair care routine. The refillable aluminum bottle is not only sleek but also highly durable, ensuring that the product lasts longer and stays protected from external elements. The shampoo is suitable for all hair types, including color-treated hair, and provides a lightweight, non-greasy finish. Durability: the refillable aluminum packaging helps reduce environmental waste and lasts much longer than traditional plastic bottles. The shampoo is also highly concentrated, meaning a little goes a long way. Depending on your hair length and usage, a single bottle can last for several weeks, making it a sustainable option that offers excellent value for money. Coming in at number 3 is the Alima Pure Foundation. Alima Pure Foundation is a clean, zero-waste foundation option that provides buildable coverage for a flawless complexion. Made with minimal, natural ingredients, it's a great alternative for those who want to reduce their environmental footprint while achieving a natural, radiant look. Available in both powder and liquid formulas, this foundation is a versatile option for different skin types and preferences. Key features: the Alima Pure Foundation is formulated with just a handful of ingredients, including minerals like mica and zinc oxide that provide excellent coverage without clogging pores. It's free of synthetic fragrances, parabens, and other harmful chemicals. The foundation comes in eco-friendly packaging, with the powder formula housed in a recyclable metal compact, ensuring a completely plastic-free experience. Benefits and usage: Alima Pure Foundation offers customizable coverage, from light to medium, and is ideal for daily wear. It provides a natural, airbrushed finish while letting the skin breathe, making it perfect for sensitive or acne-prone skin. To use, simply apply the powder with a brush for a lightweight finish or build it up for more coverage. The liquid formula provides a slightly more dewy finish for those with drier skin types. Usability: the foundation is suitable for all skin types and tones, offering a wide range of shades to choose from. Whether you prefer a matte or dewy finish, Alima Pure Foundation is flexible and customizable to your needs. The compact packaging is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry for touch-ups throughout the day. Durability: this foundation lasts throughout the day, providing long-lasting coverage without fading or oxidizing. The powder formula offers a matte finish, while the liquid foundation is more hydrating and provides a more radiant look. The minimal packaging ensures that the product lasts for a significant amount of time, making it a great investment for anyone looking to switch to a more sustainable beauty option. Taking our 4th spot is Ethique Face Cleanser Bar. Ethique Face Cleanser Bar is a solid facial cleanser that is part of the brand's mission to reduce plastic waste in the beauty industry. This gentle yet effective bar is designed to cleanse the skin, removing dirt, oil, and makeup while maintaining the skin's natural balance. With its eco-friendly packaging and vegan ingredients, it's a great choice for those looking to make their skincare routine more sustainable. Key features: the Ethique Face Cleanser Bar is made with nourishing ingredients like cocoa butter and coconut oil, which help to cleanse the skin without drying it out. Unlike traditional liquid cleansers, this bar is completely plastic-free and comes in compostable cardboard packaging. It's also free from sulfates, parabens, and synthetic fragrances, making it safe for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this face cleanser bar deeply cleanses the skin while leaving it soft and moisturized. It's ideal for daily use and can remove makeup effectively without irritating the skin. To use, simply wet the bar and rub it between your hands to create a lather, then apply to your face in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with water to reveal clean, refreshed skin. Usability: the Ethique Face Cleanser Bar is perfect for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Its compact size makes it travel-friendly, and since it's solid, you don't have to worry about spills or leaks. The bar lasts much longer than liquid cleansers, and its plastic-free packaging makes it a great zero-waste option for your skincare routine. Durability: the bar lasts for a long time, making it a sustainable and economical option. With proper care, it can last for several months, which means fewer products end up in landfills. The bar also doesn't lose its effectiveness over time, continuing to provide a gentle yet thorough cleanse throughout its lifespan. And finally, at number 5, we have Meow Tweet Deodorant. Meow Tweet Deodorant is a natural, zero-waste deodorant option that's both effective and eco-friendly. Made with clean, plant-based ingredients, this deodorant provides long-lasting odor protection while being gentle on the skin. It comes in a compostable tube, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional plastic deodorants. Key features: Meow Tweet Deodorant is formulated with baking soda, arrowroot powder, and coconut oil to absorb moisture and fight odor without using harsh chemicals. The deodorant is vegan, cruelty-free, and free from synthetic fragrances, parabens, and phthalates. The packaging is fully compostable, ensuring that no plastic waste is generated when the product is used up, Benefits and usage. This deodorant provides long-lasting odor protection while keeping your skin dry and comfortable. Its creamy texture glides on smoothly, and the natural ingredients help to soothe and nourish the skin. To use, simply twist the compostable tube and apply a thin layer to your underarms. Reapply as necessary throughout the day. Usability. Meow Tweet deodorant is suitable for all skin types and is especially great for sensitive skin due to its clean and gentle ingredients. The packaging is easy to use, and the deodorant is lightweight, making it perfect for carrying in your bag or on the go. Durability. This deodorant is effective for a full day of odor protection, making it a reliable choice for daily use. The compostable tube ensures that you're not contributing to plastic waste, while the natural ingredients ensure the deodorant lasts without irritation or dryness. With regular use, the tube lasts for several weeks, offering great value for money. That wraps up our review of the best zero-waste beauty products. If you're ready to make the switch to more sustainable beauty options, these 5 products will help you look and feel great while protecting the planet. From deodorants to foundations, there's something for everyone. Let us know which product you're most excited to try in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more eco-friendly beauty tips. Stay beautiful and sustainable, and we'll see you in the next video.